It does not work! Oh! Hey! Do you want to know what insights will you get from repairing that you can apply to YouTube? So if you're interested with this, please keep on watching. I got a lot of tips for you to grow on YouTube, to gain more subscribers, and to gain more views. So let's go!
This is your channel.
This one works, but that one right there, this one right here, it doesn't work. So in this video, I prepared some pointers that I use while I'm repairing this destination sign that you can use on your YouTube journey. Keep on watching! Whoosha! So let's go. So my first pointer would be managing your expectation. Of course, we are just starting out. And like repairing this, we don't know what's wrong with this. We don't know how to fix the problems at the first glance kasi nga, we're just starting out. I believe in our YouTube journey, there would be 3 things that are important. 3 things! First is your skill. Next is your experience. And lastly, it's your audience, your viewers. So what we can do when starting out is while we don't have this audience, while we are invisible, we can work on our skills and our experience. Work on growing your channel while you are growing yourself. Alright. God, I tried replacing this one over and over and over again, but nothing works. So my tip number 2 for you guys. So it's okay to be frustrated at times because our journey is hard. Like repairing this front destination sign, it's really hard. That's moreover, if this component is the one with trouble and you don't have the experience to fix it, yeah, it's hard. But it's okay. Keep trying. This is the third pointer. Keep testing out new things. Again, you're invisible, so it's okay to keep experimenting. And that's how you grow. That's how you build your skill. So for this unit, I am happy that everything is working out fine now. So what we'll do is we'll put cable ties for it to be stable and then for our learnings to be permanent. Like cable ties, the skills that we learned from vlogging, the skills that we learned from editing. Practice, it doesn't make perfect. Practice makes permanent. So practice more. Cable ties, I hope you're getting value in this video. If you do, can I ask a simple favor? Please hit the like button for YouTube algorithm. That just means that if a lot of people are liking this video, then YouTube will push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. The next pointer is there are a lot of elements that we can try out, that we can work on. So it would depend on you where to look into your channel. It's okay to take one component at a time, and it would be part of you growing. Now, if you will ask me, what if I get frustrated? What if it gets hard? The next step would be, it's okay to take a break. You have to enjoy the process of you creating your videos. You have to enjoy putting out videos, and you have to enjoy filming yourself. And while you're taking a break, learn new skills. Consume more YouTube, fresh ideas that you can implement. That's another tip for you. Shout out to the comment winner. Comment ka sa video na to para ikaw yung comment winner sa next episode. I think the last pointer that I can give you is that it's okay that we get frustrated. It's okay that our YouTube journey is hard. But in the end, it will all make sense. One thing will lead to another thing. As you build the skill, as you build the experience, then more viewers would come into your channel. More viewers would appreciate what you do. And that's how you grow. That's how you win. So keep holding on. Keep believing in yourself. And you just need to be more consistent. Hey! Whoa! We're the champions, my friend. We're keeping fighting to the end. We are the champions. We are the champions, my friend. So the next step I want to give you would be about niching down. But unfortunately, this video had gone too long already. If you click the video you're seeing right now, then your YouTube journey would be easier. Your growth would be faster. So again, maraming salamat sa panonood mo. Bye!